So narrator again says something false. Neha smiles. So what it is falling? Let us see what it is. Neha, oh my clock. Neha is telling, oh my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get a plate. Now Neha is very happy because her clock already fell down. So tomorrow she can have a long sleep. That is what she is telling her. So when you were sleeping before, wake up in that birds were coming, so many things were coming and calling you. But here alarm was calling, and now Neha is so happy that alarm fell down. Tomorrow no alarm, so she can sleep more. Then tomorrow I can get a plate. Who can get a plate? Neha can get a plate. Why she can get a plate? Because there will not be alarm. Then the narrator is telling, explaining what happened. Next morning, there is no alarm, as Neha wished. No alarm. Alarm nahi tha. So, Neha sleeps and sleeps. So, before going to bed itself, she was so happy because there is no alarm. So, she can sleep more. And she started sleeping. And then, so she was so happy. Then what happened there? The small chirpy birds which come to the windowsill every morning find Neha still sleeping. What did the chirping birds found? Neha is sleeping. These birds every day used to come and sit. Windowsill mean in your house there is windows. Windows are there. On the window down part or upper part also there will be little space for birds can sit like that. So every day these birds used to come and sit when Neha gets up. And today bird found that Neha is sleeping. Why she was sleeping? No alarm clock. What happened to alarm clock? Alarm clock fell down. So this the small chirpy birds which come to the windowsill every morning find Neha still sleeping. तो देख लिया नेहा सोए. Who saw? Birds. Then birds. What did birds say? Wake up, dear. Wake up fast. Birds told to our Neha, wake up, dear. Wake up fast. Jaldi utho. Get up. So you get up fast and do the work or whatever activity you want to do. You do it. Wake up, dear. Wake up fast. You get up fast. That is what they are telling. So this part again I will not explain. Here once again narrator, something false. Neha smiles. So Neha, oh my clock has fallen. Because clock has fallen, that's why she smiled. How happy I am. I am so happy because tomorrow I can get a plate. Why Neha was so happy? Neha was happy because she can get a plate. The narrator is telling, next morning there is no alarm. No, so Neha sleeps and sleeps. So what happened there? The small chirpy birds which come to the windowsill. I already said the windowsill means it is a bottom part of the window. There is little space to sit for birds every morning and find Neha still sleeping. Then birds are saying to Neha, wake up, dear, wake up fast. Who said to whom? Wake up, dear, wake up fast. So that is said by birds to Neha. All of you understood it. Shall I go to the next one? So read these things from the book itself again. I will not explain it, okay? So then next one is narrator is telling that Neha gets up with a start. Birds told that wake up fast. So Neha again got up. Neha, oh no, if it is not the alarm clock, it's these birds. If there is no alarm, these birds are disturbing me. Because though alarm is not there, she was happy that alarm is not there. But who are coming? Birds are coming to call Neha. If it is not the alarm clock, it is these birds. These birds, the plural of this is these birds. Why don't they leave me alone? Why you can't leave me alone? Alone means akela. Leave meaning chodna. Okay? So why don't they leave me alone? मुझे क्यों अकेला नहीं छोड़ते? So that is what she is telling. There is no alarm, but still some are there. That is birds. And telling that why these birds can't be leave alone. So narrator is telling that even this wish of Neha's comes true. Even these wishes of Neha's comes true. Means what she wished, what she desired became true. Because no alarm, she started sleeping. But later on, birds came to call her. The next morning, there is no tulip, no alarm clock. There are no birds either. Next day, what is there? No alarm, no birds. So how she will be? Neha will be happy to sleep again more. So both are not there. That is what narrator is telling. Narrator means one who is explain about the situation. But there is someone else. Now not only our birds and alarm. Somebody else also is there who does not want her to miss the school bus. That person is thinking that she should not miss the school bus. Should not miss the school bus means she has to get the bus. उसको ये बस छूटना नहीं. She wants to get the bus. So that person is desiring. That person is wishing that Neha should get the school bus. But there is someone else who does not want to miss the school bus. Now, can you guess who it is? Narrator is asking, you also guess who will be the person. But you can understand when the next line reads, you are getting the answer, isn't it? So, the big bright sun. Who is the next person? The big bright sun. So you know what is bright sun. Sun is like it is brightening. It is not dim. Ekdam chamk rahe. Here he fills Neha's room with a warm smile. What is the sun do? The sun fills Neha's room. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. एकदम warm smile से वो अपने कमरे में फैल गया. That is what narrator is telling. So I hope all of you understood. First one is Neha gets up with a start. Then, Oh, no, if it is not the alarm clock, it is these birds. Why don't they leave me alone? If there is no alarm, birds are there to call her. Then narrator is telling, even this wish of Neha has come true. That wish also was that if alarm clock is not there, can sleep more. And then the birds came, but she slept more than alarm clock. But again she got up. So the next morning there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either. That day no birds, no alarm clock. But there is someone else to call her who does not want her to miss the school bus. That means Neha should get the bus. Can you guess who it is? Can you think who will be the person? The big bright sun. That is the person. Bright sun. Sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. With a warm smile, with a very happily, the sun is coming. And then what did he do? Neha, oh my eyes, now it is the sun waking me up. Now Neha is telling that I thought no alarm, no birds, now I can sleep more. But the sunlight came and filling the room and it is reaching to the eyes of Neha. So under the sun it is difficult to sleep. So she is telling that why can't he let me be? Once again, why can't he let me be? Why can't he let me be? Why he is disturbing me? वो क्यों मुझे छोड़ते नहीं है? I can be alone. I can get up my own. No need of calling anybody. Why can't he let me be? If I sleep also, what is there? Why should he disturb? So, the narrator is telling her, even this wish of Neha's comes true. She thought, no alarm, no birds. Now, sun came. Even that also, that wish also is fulfilling. Then, what is there? Next morning, the sun is behind the clouds. When she got angry, sun also understood that, oh, Neha is angry with me. With whom? With the sun. So, what does the sun do? Next day morning, sun is behind the clouds. Sun did not appear. So, Neha snores. Still, she hears her mother's voice. Now she is happy. And what does she do? She sleeps little more. And how? So, Neha snores. Snores means to make loud noise during the sleep. You might have heard at home your grandpa, grandma, all these people usually when we are grown or aged, then mostly this problem comes. But sometimes other people also does. In Hindi or Gujarati, I don't know the word what you say snore meaning karate. That is what you are saying. Actually, I too don't know. So use that words. People doing karate during this sleeping. That is what. So Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. Now who is calling her? Her mother is calling her. Then mother, wake up, sleepyhead. In the poem we learned what is sleepyhead. Those who learned the word meaning, we will come to know here also. Okay? So mother said, wake up. Wake up meaning get up. Sleepyhead, one who is sleeping. You will miss the bus. You get up fast. Otherwise, you will miss your school bus. If you miss the school bus, Papa has to take the bike and reach you, or Mummy has to take the scooty and reach you. So, these things should not happen. So, mother is calling and telling that wake up, sleepy head, you will miss the bus. Then, narrator is telling, Neha, oh no, why does mother have to wake me up? Now, she is telling to mother, why you want to make me get up now? Let me sleep little more. And I already said in the beginning, you are also asking your mother, let me sleep 2 minutes more, 5 minutes more. The same thing is happening here. Why does mother have to wake me up? So that means I want to sleep little more. That is what she is telling. So once again we'll read. Neha, oh my eyes. No, it is the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Narrator is telling. Even this wish of Neha's comes true. Next morning, the sun is behind the clouds, so Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. जब तक मदर नहीं बुलाया, मम्मी नहीं बुलाया, वो सो गई. Mother, wake up, sleepy head. You will miss the bus. So you get up, otherwise you will miss the bus. Neha, oh no. Why does mother have to wake me up? Mother. Yeah, Neha asked to everybody, no? The first two alarm also, she was happy that if alarm is not there. And then she was happy with the birds to say that why you don't leave me alone. And again sunlight also she said. Now to mother also she said the same way. And no, why does mother have to wake me up? So that is what she is telling. And now you have to read it, get the meaning. And questions also find out. There are singular, plural, and then we can find out. Okay, singular, plural is okay. I hope you understood. Shall I move to the next one? So again narrator is telling, there is no escape now. Now we cannot escape means to get free from somebody, or to be away from somebody, or to be away from somebody or some place or something. If a difficult situation comes, you will think that कुछ जो हमको पसंद नहीं है उसे बचा के जाने का कोशिश करते हैं. That is called escape. Here telling that now I cannot escape because all are trying to wake our Neha. So there is no escape now. Now I cannot be free. Neha gets up and gets ready. Now she got up and got ready to go. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Now they are asking you, next day what might have happened? Because first day up to mummy called. Now who will come to call? So we will see next day who called. Can you imagine? Imagine means सोच सकते हैं. What happens the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Next day, how she got up? She got up herself. So wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. Okay, her watch said it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. So her watch was there, and the watch she saw it is 6 o'clock. So she is calling mother. Always first alarm called her, birds called her, sun called her, mummy called her. Then last what happened? She herself saw that her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. So she is calling her mother. Neha. Neha is telling, Ma, who woke me up today? She is asking to mother, who woke me up today? आज मुझे कौन उठाया? Who woke? Wake, past form is woke. Woke me up today. So, narrator is telling, mother smiles because mother, of course, when Neha called, mother reached. And Neha is asking to mother, who called me today? Who woke me up today? Mother, who else? You, of course. Who else? Nobody. Who else? कौन होगा? You, of course. तुम अपने आप उठा. ये कोई बुलाया नहीं है, तुम अपने आप. Who else? You, of course. Of course, surely you yourself got up. Nobody called you. You got up yourself. Understood? Once again, narrator is telling, there is no escape now. Now we cannot be free. Neha gets up and gets ready. She is getting up, getting ready. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. Neha is telling, Mom, who woke me up today? Narrator is telling, mother smiles. Mother smiles because when Neha called, mother smiled because every day somebody has to call. Today she herself got up. Mother is telling, who else? You, of course. कौन होगा? तुम अपने आप ही उठाए. Nobody called you. Then Neha is telling, but I was sleeping. How I could? I was sleeping. How I will call myself? Mother said, you yourself. So Neha is telling that I was sleeping. Then how it can happen? That is what? I was sleeping. How could I? How could I? मैं कैसे ये हो सकते हैं? Mother is telling, now tell me, why do you eat your lunch? Now mother is asking another question. Every day, why? Here question is here. Tell me, why do you eat your lunch? Every day you are eating the lunch. Why you are eating? That is what they are telling.